Carnival Horizon 7254 Ocean Suite. And here we go. Walking in the door. First thing is the switch, and make sure there is a card inserted here or your lights and your power will go out. As you walk in, this is your view. Very sizable room. Very nice. On the right here is your closet. That's me. Hello. Your closet space here. This one is just one-sided, and then this one, a couple of robes in here because this is an ocean suite. This one has two sides. There we go. Plenty of storage space, especially for two people. Coming out here, we'll go to the left. There's our thermostat. Light switch for the bathroom. Very nice sized bathroom here. Two sinks, all the towels you can eat. Jet powered toilet that'll suck you into oblivion if you're sitting on it when you hit the button. And speaking of jet powered, here is a jetted tub and your shower. And very nice shower head. Clothesline if you so need. Handles and such. I plan on using this and this. Hello again. There's a lot of mirrors. As we further enter, here is a power right next to a little side table. This would be a great place to charge your stuff. A little charger or some sort of extension you can put there. Little power strip, one of the non-breaker power strips. Let's see, I've got water bottles galore. I have information about Celebration Key in my room. Today's fun times, stuff that's good to know. Here's the list of things that I really should know about, illegal narcotics. This is the letter about things that'll get you sent off the ship, and you don't want that. More information about Celebration Key, a bunch of QR codes, fancy telephonic device, trash cans, seats. There's a safe up in there. It's hard to get to. If you're looking for a hairdryer, it is here in this drawer. And you have other drawers as well. Such. Bedside table. Some more storage in here. This is a king configuration, but of course it can be split into two if you'd like. Switch on the wall for all the lights in the cabin. And then over here is a very nice sized television and more storage. Here is the cooler. Now let's head outdoors. On the balcony. Myself a chair and a table. A couple of more chairs if I have friends. And this is the Port of Miami. It's the terminal building that I just came through. I'm on deck 7, so this is what it looks like from deck 7. And then Miami. So that's it. Let's go back in the cabin. That's it. Carnival Horizon 7254 Ocean Suite.